It all has clicked for me. After 3 years of obsessing over every Neville lecture, every desire, every little thing, I finally understand. Sometimes, I would manifest my desire perfectly. From SPs, to expensive things, to people changing. Other times, I would fail so bad that I would hate Neville and everything to do with the law of assumption. It has finally clicked. I was on a flight yesterday, and for the first time ever I watched The Matrix. For those of you who haven't seen it, I'm telling you right now, it perfectly exemplifies the power of the mind. The scene with the spoon came, and I felt goosebumps. There is no spoon. I've been trying to tell myself this for so long, but it never clicked. There's no objective reality. There's only me. There's no fancy house, no fancy car, no SP, no career. There's only me. Everything in the realm of my sight is my creation, and everything in my objective reality is a reflection of my mind. As soon as I realized this truth, my anxiety regarding my SP had disappeared. I stopped feeling the need to text my SP, wonder what they're thinking. I liked their last message sent to me and went about my day feeling so good knowing that she doesn't even exist outside of my mind. And suddenly, for the first time in months, she double texted hours later. Then I once again responded dry because I don't need to impress my creation, and she triple texted. It was amazing. The best part, for weeks I've been telling myself that no matter what, SP is mine because I'm the one. SP can try and live their life, try to escape what they feel, but nothing will change that I am the one for them. They will never be able to escape that truth. They are mine. So yesterday when I saw the concept of the one play out in front of me, I was shocked when hours later I sat in my car and tried to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and behold, something had popped up called the one. I don't believe in signs. I don't believe in any mumbo-jumbo people used to make themselves feel better. But what I do believe in is myself, and that I created a reality within minutes that serves me, and the proof of it is in everything I come across. I feel nothing bad, no anxiety, no stress. I feel free. I feel so free. Realize the truth. There is no one except you. There is nothing except you. Bend your mind, not your SP. Bend your mind. Don't chase that house. Bend your mind. You know you got it when you suddenly stop caring about everything because nothing exists. Nothing is apart from you. So, I recommend you reading Neville's book. It will click for you as well. Check the description or comment section to buy Neville's book. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.